Balkrishna Institute of Technology, Kota, a venture of Joshi Group, one of the best engineering college of North India. We offer BTech courses in automobile engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering. Balkrishna Institute of Technology provides world-class infrastructure and international exposure. BKIT, situated in IPC 15 Reconstitutional Area, Kota, Rajasthan. Balkrishna Institute of Technology is situated on 4.5 acres of land with lush green campus and eco-friendly environment. College conducted expert instructions through visiting faculties from IITs, NITs and foreign universities. We also conducted various seminars, competitions and workshops by industrial experts to keep students abreast with the latest happening in the technical and corporate world. College have very cute and well managed laboratories that help students in getting the best working knowledge of various instruments in electrical branch, mechanical branch, civil branch, automobile branch and electronics and communication branch. We have various models that help the students to understand the working of various machines. The lab have facilities for conducting practical classes for the students. The departments are well equipped with mechanical lab, civil lab, automobile lab. We had largest library with international web-based e-journal with largest volume of books and national and international journals. The classrooms are well equipped with air-cooled environment. College have on seminar hall and open amphitheater. For the overall development of the students, we have basketball court, volleyball court, badminton court, we conducted various games competitions, outdoor as well as indoor, among the college students. Inter-college games competitions are also conducted time to time. We also motivate students to prepare their own working models in their respective branches. We have 24-hour power backup and Wi-Fi connectivity with huge computer labs. Not only in education, we also groom students in cultural activities such as modeling under the guidance of expert panel to motivate students and to prepare dresses and train them to catwalk on ramp. Students enthusiastically participate in cultural activities where traditional as well as Dude Western dances are done. College hire experts to train students in Western and traditional dances. In short, we groom students by 360 degrees. This all have done to cope the latest trend in technical as well as in personal life of all the students of Bal Krishna Institute of Technology. In the history of Kota, first time Bal Krishna Institute of Technology Kota conducted consecutively 3 international conferences within 18 months.